Go ahead and call the meeting to order. Appreciate everybody's comedy this morning. Start with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Let's start by asking for approval of this morning's agenda.
Motion to approve the agenda.
I'll second.
I have a motion and a second. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Motion carries. Next item I have is I can ask for approval of minutes dated March 3rd, March 24th, and March 31st, 2021.
I will make a motion to approve.
Second.
I have a motion and a second. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Motion carries. I can ask for approval of claims for payment dated April 7th, 2021.
Make a motion to approve the April 7th, 2021 claims.
I will second.
I have a motion and a second. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Next thing I have is emergency management update. Thomas
It is not here.
is not here. Okay.
He said it's pretty much status quo from last week.
Okay. Next I can ask for public health update is Rocky on.
Good morning.
Morning,
Good morning,
Rocky. How are you
Rocky.
today?
Pretty good. So just a couple updates on our COVID numbers. We are at about 1,772 positive cases since the beginning of the pandemic. 1,678 of those are considered recovered, which leaves us with about 94 cases active. About 9,300 Hardin County residents have received at least one dose of the vaccine. And we continue to hold our weekly clinics as the demand is still there for vaccine. New Cara and Ackley, Hy-Vee in Iowa Falls, and Clinic Pharmacy in Iowa Falls have begun receiving doses through the federal pharmacy program. So they're also administering vaccine, which has been great. And next week we'll be starting some clinics at Ellsworth Community College. Currently everybody is eligible to receive the vaccine, so they can just keep an eye on our website on the links, the jot form links to schedule an appointment.
Right. Thank you,
All right,
Rocky.
thanks.
Next I have is utility permits. I've got one utility permit. It'd be UT004. It's a Heart of Iowa boring under S56 for fiber for a new home.
I'll make a motion to go ahead and approve the utility permit as presented.
I'll second it.
Have a motion and a second. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Motion carries. Engineer Rawl.
Yep.
Good morning.
So we got our bridge deck poured yesterday on S27, so that all went pretty good. You know, we escaped any bad weather, so that'll sit for a week and then they'll get back at it. And hopefully it's just another month, but you know how it is, weather. Highway 175 did close Monday, and I have not seen work. Greg said he did witness some vehicles there. Apparently they're doing something, but so yeah, I don't know. I assume it'll be closed. So,
What part of the bridge was hit?
just like the very most bottom part of a beam,
Okay.
the farm equipment that caught it. So that was 2 years ago.
Oh, it
So-
was?
Mhm. So they, and,
Okay.
yep.
Okay.
And then in regards to our crew, we're almost done rocking dead ends, and then they'll be putting their pups on, and yeah, it's been a good spring so far. So we're getting lots of rock hauled. Hopefully we're done with snow, but you never know either.
Sure.
Yeah, and we only had one frost boil. I know Lance likes to hear about frost boils.
I hadn't seen any.
Yeah, and well, we only have one, and it healed up, so things are looking good. So maybe next week I'll ask you guys about going to 410s at the end of the month.
I know Highway 65, they're starting to do the resurfacing there too, so.
I did hear that, but they're down by Colo right now, right?
Correct.
All right. So
All right.
there you go. More fun.
All right, thanks, Taylor.
Yep.
All right, Michael. Please unmute the mics. Or actually, I'm gonna go ahead, Carrie, come on up. Thank you.
So assessments went out this last week, and I know that there has been a lot of questions regarding that, and I would just encourage the public to call our assessor's office. That number is 641-939-100. The girls, Connie and Tiffany, are doing a really good job of answering questions and trying to put people's concerns at rest. So rather than go on social media, give them a call, or even go to the website. There's a lot of answers out there as well.
I agree. They're doing their best.
Yes, they
They
are.
don't want any ill will or malicious
Nope.
intent. So give them a chance to do their job. I wholeheartedly agree with you, Carrie.
Yep.
Just give them a chance to do their job. There is a process in place. Utilize that process. The process is determined by state code, and I tell you what, we have very dedicated individuals here that want that process to work. So thank you, Carrie.
100%.
I have one comment also to start. I have a t-shirt on today, just as a reminder that April is Child Abuse Prevention. So we're to focus on ways to protect children and to prevent child abuse.
And my shirt will be here sometime today.
And the rest of us.
Got mine last week.
Yeah,
Picked it up.
all right. Thank you, Renee.
Mhm.
All right, Michael, now. All right, thank you, Michael. Other public comments? Okay. Hearing none, I'm going to go ahead and go on to resolution appointing UMB Bank North America of West Des Moines, Iowa to serve as a paying agent, note registrar and transfer agent, approving the paying agent and note registrar and transfer agent agreement and authorizing the execution of the agreement. This is in regards to the refinancing of the bonds at Hanson Family Hospital.
Make a motion to appoint said resolution.
Second.
Okay, I have a motion and a second. Any discussion? Hearing none. Angela, roll call, please.
Renee,
Aye.
Lance,
Aye.
BJ,
Aye. Motion carries. Next item I have is a resolution approving a form of loan agreement and authorizing and providing the issuance of $13,920,000 of taxable general obligation, urban renewal, refunding capital loan notes, series 2021, and levying a tax to pay said notes. Approval of the continued disclosure certificate and refunding trust agreement.
Make a motion to also approve that said resolution.
I'll second.
Okay, I have a motion and a second. Any discussion? Hearing none. Angela, roll call, please.
Renee,
Aye.
Lance,
Aye.
BJ,
Aye. Motion carries. Next item I have is a liquor license application for the Radcliff Friendly Fairways Golf Course.
I'll make a motion to approve the Radcliff Friendly Fairways Golf liquor license. It's effective 4/15/21. The expiration date is at the end of the year, January 1st of 2022. It states 1900, so we know that can't be right.
I'll second it.
Okay, I have a motion and a second. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
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 Motion carries. Next item I have is application for membership to the Iowa River Valley Early Childhood Area Board. We were contacted by Carrie Ighcp about appointing one of the supervisors to the board, and just out of consideration for how we process requests like this, I thought it was best to come before the board for an appointment so it can be officially noted.
We tabled this last week so that you were here. for
Right,
this.
yep. And I'd be more than happy to serve on that board. I've worked with Carrie on some other boards, so I'd be willing to serve in that capacity.
Is this going to be one of the boards that will be annually appointing?
I don't think so. I think it's more of like an ad hoc. It's
Okay.
nothing required or formal.
Okay. All right. I'm just curious. Okay.
I'll make a motion to appoint BJ to the Iowa River Early Childhood Area Development or Area Board.
All right. I'll second it.
Okay, I have a motion and a second. Any discussion? Hearing aye.
Aye.
Aye, motion carries. We'll let Carrie know.
Okay.
Next item we have is consideration of approval of agreements with Wellmark, Ighcp, and EBS for the county health and dental insurance and vision insurance coverages.
I'll make a motion to approve the agreements with Wellmark, Ighcp, and EBS.
I'll second.
Okay, I have a motion and a second. Any discussion? One item, I think the rates came in very well. The pharmacy benefit plan was adjusted to make sure that we're covering some formulary medications that weren't covered before. And so far, there are some hiccups in the transitioning and onboarding, but I think so far, after those hiccups were resolved, things have gotten better and haven't heard complaints about insurance outside of what normally can happen. So,
So do we need to go back up and approve the rates?
yeah, we'll do that too. So, sorry.
That's right.
All those in favor of the agreement, say aye.
Aye.
Aye, motion carries. Next would be the approval of the Ighcp plan benefits and rates.
I'll make a motion to approve the Ighcp benefits and rates.
I'll second.
I have a motion and a second. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Next item I have is the auditor's monthly report from Auditor Peters.
I'll make a motion to approve the auditor's monthly report.
I'll second it.
Okay, I have a motion and a second. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Motion carries. Next item I have is Recorder Cadner's monthly report.
I'll make a motion to approve the recorder's monthly report for the month of March.
I'll second.
Okay, I have a motion and a second. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye, motion carries. The last report I have is the sheriff's monthly report. Sheriff McDaniel has filed his report and can be found in the auditor's office. I'd accept a motion to approve.
So moved.
Second.
I have a motion and a second. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye, motion carries. Next item is a discussion with possible action on the extension of the COVID-19 leave policy. This was just put on as a reminder. It expired March 31st, 2021. We don't have to take action on it if we don't need to, but from what I understand that most counties and municipalities have let this expire.
And it was extended from the end of the year till March 31st. If people have already used, correct me if I'm wrong, if people have already used it, they don't qualify twice. This is only to qualify for once.
Correct.
I don't have an opinion one way or the other. What do you guys feel?
Having spoken with our HR attorney several weeks ago, I think the precedence there is to let it go. So I'd be comfortable with that.
I think with vaccinations out now and it's being opened up to all populations or age groups, I would be inclined to also let it expire.
Okay.
Because we do have sick leave.
So no action needed?
No action. Okay. Lance, other business.
None.
Renee?
Nope.
Okay. Anybody else? Okay. Hearing none, I can ask for adjournment.
So moved it. Adjourn.
Second.
Aye.
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 Aye, we're adjourned. Thank you.